got a constant, 27 over n cubed, right? N is a constant, I is the variable of the summation. And what is the sum from I equals 1 to n of I squared?
N squared plus n plus 1.
N
Okay.
times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 all over 6. Minus 18 over n squared, that's also a constant relative to the summation because I is the variable of the summation. N is just some number that's the upper limit. What's the sum from I equals 1 to n of I?
N plus 1.
N times n plus 1 over 2. Plus, remember 6 over n is our constant c here, so that's 6 over n, and I have the constant times n. Don't shake your head at me, she's shaking her head like. Seizure. Never thought of that. So this is equal to the limit as n goes to infinity. Let's see, 6 goes into 27. Oh my goodness gracious. Let's do some canceling. I can cancel that n into that n cubed and I'm left with n squared. 3 goes in there 9 times and 3 goes in there twice. So that's 9 over 2n squared times, and what do I get when I multiply that together? 2n squared plus 3n plus 1. Let's see here, 2 goes into 18 9 times, n goes into n squared and leaves you n, so minus 9 over n times n plus 1 plus 6.
Barry,
Yes?
could you explain what you did from the brown step to the black step that you got rid of the summation notation in the front?
Sure.
And then you got an n.
The sum from I equals 1 to n of I squared is this.
Oh, okay.
So I replaced I squared with that. The sum from I equals 1 to n of I is the orange, so I replaced I with that. These are just constants.
Okay.
And then 6 over n is c. So 6 over n times n. Let's continue to distribute here. This is the limit as n goes to infinity. Let's see, what do I get when I multiply this out?
Cancel.
What's left? 9. Plus, here's 27 over 2n. 1 times this is plus 9 over 2n squared. What's minus 9 over n times n?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Right. What's minus 9 over n times 1? And then I've got a plus 6 there. Well, now what happens to all these things that have n in the denominator when I take the limit as n goes to infinity? So I get 9 minus 9 plus 6. I claim the area under that curve is 6. The actual area under that curve is 6. Would you like me to show you an easier way to do this? The book, wait before I answer. The book does not want you to know what I'm about to show you.